What's going on, everybody? Shane Plato and Juan over here at NorCal Collision and Kustomz. We just got a new car coming in, ready to be tear down. Juan, what are you planning on doing with this car right here? Why don't you tell the people?
I'm planning to do in this car, I'm gonna tear down the bumper, take out the bumper, headlight, fender, and we'll see under there what's the damage, hiding in there. So we're trying to look all the damage so we can write it down in the estimate and get all the parts going on.
That's right. Over here at NorCal Collision and Kustomz, we focus on getting the cars in and getting them out as fast as possible with as quality work as we can. You guys have seen on the page a lot of the outcomes, but you don't really see what goes into fixing these cars and whatnot. So over the course of this, we're going to be taking a couple photos, maybe a video or two, kind of showing how to do some of these works. Juan is a great guy. He's going to really show you what's going to be going on. And right now, it kind of looks like, you got a little bit of bumper and fender damage, but you never know. You could take a piece off and you might have a little bit of a frame damage, or there's a lot of things hidden that you wouldn't think would be there, and that's parts goes into the business, and you guys got to take that look. You got to be extra cautious, and at NorCal Collision and Kustomz, you take that extra step to get your car looking fresh. That's right. You got anything else you want to say?
I don't have anything else to say. This is the first step so we can see what's under there.
That's right.
The bumper.
They just brought it in, now we're about to get to work.
Yeah.
See you guys soon.